All right, scholars, you were going to read this section, pages 2 to 4, on your own. Where you're going to be stopping on page 4 is right at Maxwell. So very top of page 4. That is where you're going to stop. When you have finished reading all the way to Maxwell, come back to this video. Pause now. All right, now that you've read pages 2 through 4, let's go over these questions. So I want you to reread this excerpt from page 2. Pause the video to read that now. Consider the word invention. What might it mean for remembering to be a great invention of the mind? And what's surprising about this idea? When answering this question, I want you to think about, do you normally think of your memory as an invention? All right, answer that question. How does Max say he remembers Freak at first? And what does it mean that his memory might have been an invention of the mind? So look back in the book, and how does he say he remembers him? I want you to pull that out, put it right back in here. And thinking of back to this excerpt, what might it mean that his memory is an invention of the mind right there? And finally, how might this idea about memory impact Max's reliability as a character? If memory is something that can be invented, can we trust his memory all the time? Tell me why or why not. When you are done, move on to cycle 3.